Hello my friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to clean up from dusty this NVIDIA Quadro graphic card. So if your air cooling system doesn't work well, then you will see very high temperature and slow performance. So we will open up these 6 screws on this air cooling system, and we will see very dusty inside. In some other cases it will be thermal paste, and we will need to change the thermal paste, but in this case I will only clean up. First of all, we have to have a screwdriver, and we will remove all the 6 screws right now from this plastic air cooling system, and I'm removing one by one. And the next thing is we need to have toothbrush. With toothbrush we can clean dust inside. But first of all, let's remove all these 6 screws. Let's remove it one by one. We need to remove this plastic thing. And look at this, very dusty inside. Look at this, all holes are blocked from dusty. We will remove all of this, and you will see after that your graphic card will be very good and performing professionally. So let's clean all of this right now. Okay, we need to have this toothbrush. With this toothbrush we can clean it up inside. Let's clean all of this one by one, and look at this, now it will be cleaner. Okay, we will remove the frame. I will remove this frame, okay, because there's very dusty inside, so we need to remove this frame. Yeah, remove this connector first. After removing this connector, it's tied here on the frame. Remove this. Okay, here it is. Okay, now is the moment. We will clean up all holes, air holes who are blocked on this radiator. Yeah, look at this, guys, look at this, look at this, very dust inside. And this is the reason why this graphic card goes very hot and very high temperature and performing like, you know, very slow on my computer. And it has some glitch, some freezings, and it looks like my computer doesn't work well. It's all of this dusty in my graphic card. Yeah, look at this, now it's very clean. It's clean, and also remove some dusty from this plastic thing. Okay, yes. So now let's put back all things together. We will put this connector back, put this frame again, make sure you can tie it very carefully and put the cable very carefully. Okay, look at this, connect the connector back. Okay, you can tie it, and now you put all the 6, put the plastic cover. Okay, it's cleaned up also, it will be clean. Okay, and put the 6 screws back. Okay, now let's, okay, make sure you tied all the screws, but not that strong because we don't need to damage the cooling air system. And here we are, our graphic card is ready to be used on a computer again. So this is how I clean this NVIDIA Quadro graphic card. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any other questions, just write me a comment on comment area. Don't forget to subscribe to Tips to Fix, and we are here to help you for any problem you have. Write me a comment in the comment area and let me know if it works for you guys. Thank you for watching and God bless you.